guys, and welcome back to Life with Liz. In today's video, I'm sharing with you how I made this adorable charcuterie board. Turned out super cute. I made it for my wedding and I wanted to share with you guys. So I just got some salami, I got a bunch of different random cheeses and some different crackers. And I started off by cutting up the block cheese. So that's what this was, Colby Jack and some, I don't remember what this cheese was, but some type of cheese. So I just cut it all up, and I had way too much, so I took a little bit off so it wasn't too full. So basically I'm just going to make little piles of ingredients in different areas on the board. So starting off with my Colby Jack, I just went ahead and made a little pile, kind of layered it on there and made it nice and cute. My goal was to not put too much of the same cheese, like the same flavor of cheese, right next to each other. So if I wanted to have two piles of Colby Jack, I would do one stack at the top of the board and then one stack at the bottom. I find for charcuterie boards, you really want everything to be separated and piled high, and you don't want too much of the same ingredient right next to each other. This cheese ball with almonds on top I think looked gorgeous, so that was kind of my main focal point and I worked around that. So also having like different textures of cheese, different cuts, size cuts of cheese, it makes it just really, really beautiful. So that is what I'm doing here. I'm also having my mom and some friends pass me the cheese as I make them, so if you see my hands moving, that's who I'm talking to. So these cheeses that I have right here, they were fancy cheeses that you need a knife for, like spreadable cheeses. My original plan was to put all the types of cheeses on that main board, but I ended up running out of space, so you'll see later in the video I actually take those ones off and put them on their own separate board, but you'll see that momentarily. I just think with that it was a little bit too much. So here I just have a big platter of different types of cheeses. There was like cheddar and Swiss and American, so I'm just taking the different flavors and making little stacks. Once again, not putting the same flavor right next to each other. So just kind of putting them out randomly, and there's really no perfect way to do it. This is just a fun little thing. You kind of just play with it and see what you like, move things around if you need to, and it usually always ends up turning out super cute. And now I'm just adding some crackers. I got a variety pack that had 6 different types of crackers, so that really added variety and just different textures and color and made the board look really cute. So I'm just putting those randomly throughout the board, not too close to each other, and just big stacks of them. And then I'm adding salami as well. So now that the majority of my board is full, I'm taking some mixed nuts and I'm kind of just filling the holes with them, so that way there is no space of the board showing. So you could also have done like olives or, you know, random things like that, more cheese or whatever, but I thought it was really cute to add a little bit of a different item. So I did cashews, I did some almonds around the sides, and I think it added a really nice touch. So this is how the platter turned out. I think it looks absolutely gorgeous. So I did that, and then I took a big table, which you'll see in the next photo, and all I did was add a few sandwiches from Costco. I put different types of dips in like ramekins and had chalkboard labels, and I labeled what each dip was. And then to finish it off, I just sprinkled some candy around. So here you can see it. I have my fruit tray, my charcuterie board. I have a little board of extra crackers and those spreadable cheeses, the dips, and then candy. And I think it looks really cute, and I absolutely love how it turned out. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you absolutely loved this. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I would love to have you. And I will see you guys next time on Life with Liz. Bye!